Good morning. Everything about the story of Shimon and Levi wiping out Shechem. It's about blood, guts, and glory. And even though they got busted from Yaakov Avinu that how you just don't go wipe out a city of Shechem. Rebbe Steinwartzel always used to tell me that you get the sense in the parasha that even though officially on the record they got busted, Yaakov Avinu was telling them like, yeah, good job. And you know what you learn out from the story? What was the emblem on the flag of Shimon? The flag that they held up strong and tall and proud to show the world. What was on that flag? The outline of the city of Shechem. And where do we learn out the age of Bar Mitzvah? How do you know when you become a man that you're 13? From the story of them wiping out Shechem. And the message is that even though you're going to get busted, you know when you're a man, you know when you have what to be proud of, when you stand up for what's right, even if you're going to chop for it.